As the sun sets upon
Stage 1. The mixed signal.
Hey, what are you up to?
the last sunflower whispers goodbye.
Are we dating or just friends?
Will forever
Stage 2. The ghosting.
of hope in a world of pain.
Stage 3. The never-ending question.
So what are we?
I don't know, just going with the flow.
When you realize you're just chasing ghosts and signals that never come.
World of pain.